An activist, a journalist, a politician take on a sports historian and a columnist on the News Hour tonight. Activist Dr. Naganathan, senior journalist Ms. R. Rajagopalan, politician Bharat Kumar Raut of the Shiv Sena, sports historian Times Now's Boria Majumdar, and Sohail Seth, managing partner of Council Edge, who thinks this is ridiculous. Why do you think it's ridiculous, Sohail?
I think, to quote your earlier phrase of namby-pambiness, we are becoming a nation not just of nexuses, but of wimpish, isolatory, and pretty deprecatory, derogatory behavior. Here's the logic, Arnab. Why are we infusing politics into everything? Kamala Hassan can't release his film in Tamil Nadu. You have Shiv Sena, which forces Pakistani players out of Bombay in the hockey league. What kind of a country are we becoming? Why are we injecting the ruination and the cancerous nature of our politics into things that people celebrate and people enjoy, into things that bind people together? Sports is not something that should be infused with the kind of viciousness that our politicians have become experts at, and that is my worry. Why should a Chennai spectator be deprived of a Lankan player? Or for that matter, why should anyone, even people who are not living in Chennai, should be deprived of this? I can't understand, what are we trying to achieve? Are we sending real messages, or is this just tokenism? You want the government at the center to fall, to be a supplicant, to be a lapdog? Go ahead and do it. That's politics. But don't do that with sport, because sport is universal, it is borderless, and it is largely neutral. To inject sport, you will then leave nothing which is bereft of politics in this country. We've had politics over water, over electricity, over goddamn onions.
Mr. Rajagopalan.
Over hockey, over cricket. I mean, what the hell is going
Mr.
on?
Rajagopalan, an open charge of hypocrisy. And now let me tell you, Mr. Rajagopalan, the civil war, what you call the genocide, ended in 2009. There have been 4 seasons of IPL subsequently when Sri Lankan players participated in the IPL. Some even played for Chennai Super Kings. Jayalalitha didn't object. Karunanidhi forgot. Stalin was quiet. Adagiri said nothing. Why?
There was no Geneva at that time, Arnab. Geneva.
What does Geneva have to do with IPL?
Mother problem is Geneva. Geneva, of course it is to do with IPL, because 30,000 to 40,000 Tamilians were killed in northeastern province. You can't be just ignoring that. Geneva was to pass a resolution. Indian government failed there. Therefore, Tamil parties, except Congress, DMK, MDMK,
1 minute.
ADMK, PMK, whichever Dravidian parties, every party wanted a genocide and war crime word to be included.
Sir, sir, you are denying. Sir, you are denying the fact that it's you are denying it's a very convenient argument. With a great respect to you, Mr. Rajagopalan, you know how much respect I have for you. It's a very convenient argument, because the Indian team, and it's convenient, and Dr. Naganathan, people like Dr. Naganathan go along with it because it's convenient to them as well. The fact is, the Indian team visited Sri Lanka on several occasions since the mid-1990s. The war was raging. The war was raging and cricket was going on. Wasn't it?
Now, the students' agitation in Tamil Nadu was the main reason for the entire thing. Students have come to the streets.
Where were the students? Where were the students 1 month back?
Of cricket.
Where were the students 2 months back?
No, of course, what you ask is
how do I know the students have not been propped up by the politicians?
Balachandran triggered the entire controversy.
How do I know the students have not been propped up by the politicians?
I don't think it's a spontaneous one. After 1965 Hindi agitation, the 2013 cricket has become a very major one.
Where was the spontaneity till now? The atrocities were going on for 15 years. Where was the spontaneity, Dr. Naganathan? I'd like to go to you next.
Arnav, it's high time that only now your media are covering this issue. Constant regulation and protests are on in Tamil Nadu for pretty long. Only this time it has captured the media, as Sir said, because of the UN resolution. I would state that we should not mix sports with politics. Yes, true. But what happened? We stopped South Africa for more than 2 decades from playing any World Cup matches because of their apartheid racist policy. That was a very strong message given to South Africa. Even International Olympic Association banned South Africa in 1962. Those were immense amount of pressure to South Africa to change their policy from anti-apartheid policy. so that they got into the mainstream.
Dr. Naganathan, I am not. Dr. Naganathan, may I please? I am not even discussing the merits.
There's a
or
logical
demerits.
fallacy.
I am simply asking a question. 2009, this genocide ended, right? 2009. I want to know.
Yes.
Where? No,
Yes.
1 minute. After 2009, Boria, how many times did the Indian team visit Sri Lanka? If I'm not mistaken, 2 or 3 times we went. How many times did we go to Sri Lanka?
How many protests?
Where was Dr. Naganathan?
How many protests were conducted in Tamil Nadu? How many protests were conducted?
Why
in
were they
Tamil
not
Nadu?
conducted?
Still from 2009 to 2012,
Why were they not
there were many
conducted?
protests conducted in Tamil Nadu.
Why
Only
did
this time-
Jayalalitha stop the
only
team?
this time? No.
Why did
protests were
Jayalalitha stop a IPL match from
See,
happening
this-
earlier?
So
Can I come in?
Then when the people reflection is I tone, when the
Right.
people reflections are in I tone, then only the politicians take the people's stand.
I think it's a little- the timing is
people's
suspect.
voice
Boria.
of condemning the issues.
Boria.
You know, there are 4 points here, 4, and very simple ones. One, today it's Tamil Nadu. Tomorrow somebody will say Bangladeshis can't play in Guwahati.
Yeah.
Someone will say Nepalese
Correct.
can't play in Darjeeling.
Right, that's
Someone will say so-and-so can't play in so-and-so. You know, this is political hypocrisy of the highest order.
Hypocrisy.
What nationalism are we talking about? Is it Indian nationalism or Tamil nationalism? Point number 1. Point number 2, from 2009
What
to
about human rights?
2013, 4 years, everybody... 1 second. 4 years, everyone played in the IPL, no one uttered a word. Last month, there was a test match in Chennai. Kumar Dharmasena from Sri Lanka officiated in Chennai. No one uttered a word. From 2009, India went to Sri Lanka 22 times.
Ah.
No one uttered a word. India went to Australia when there were racist attacks going on. These politicians were sleeping. Everyone's woken up because the elections are coming. They now need these votes. So
Absolutely.
why don't we tap into mass hysteria? And this man just mentioned this point that the media has woken up. So just because the media has woken up, the politicians now want to use the IPL. It is political hypocrisy of the highest order.
Arnab,
to
it is not
endorse
like
what
that.
Suhail Seth
Even
was saying.
BCCI discussed it.
It is political
Srinivasan
hypocrisy.
knew that Sri Lanka
Let him
will not be
complete.
allowed to be played.
Let him
Srinivasan knew
complete.
about it.
What
Let
happened?
Boria complete.
Discussed at the internal meetings.
What?
Sir,
Can't
sir,
hear you.
don't shout. You might get a heart attack. Just calm it.
Yeah, I mean,
No, not at all.
I didn't get the
don't
point.
bother about that because Tamilians have been killed, Mr. Suhail Seth. It is not that, BCCI
Sir,
knew about it.
Sir, let me tell you.
BCCI knew about
Let me
that
tell you.
Sri Lankan
Arnab's
players
point.
are there.
Sir, may I, with your permission, intervene? I think the issue that you have raised and that every Tamilian is seized with is not a minor issue. The fact that the genocide happened is condemnable at the highest quarters. You talked
Yes,
about
yes, that's
Geneva.
not- that's
I
everyone's
think it
doing
goes
that.
beyond
Correct.
Geneva. Sir, let me finish. I
That is
didn't
correct.
interrupt
That
you,
is
so be
correct.
polite to not interrupt me. Number 1. Number 2, the point that Boria and I are making is that when you have complete isolationary tactics like the ones that are being employed by politicians who are nothing but self-serving louts at one end and dolts on the other,
Oh, that's-
what you're doing, sir, is you are closing
bit
every
extreme.
avenue of every avenue of reconciliation. You talked, or Mr. Naganathan talked about South Africa. On our passports as Indian nationals, there was a stamp saying we weren't allowed to visit South Africa. As of date, our Indian passports don't have that stamp that we are not allowed to visit Sri Lanka. The bigger hypocrisy is if you have diplomatic relations and then treat those people like pariahs. That is my worry. So if you have the courage, as you do,
Look.
if you have the temperament, which is quite apparent, then my recommendation would be to tell the gentleman in dark glasses and the lady with the flowing cape to take this at a much more senior level rather than threaten to pull down a government, which in any case is on its knees. Our government crawls when asked to walk. So
No.
what are we achieving by that, sir? You are only dragging a soft target
can I
like
reply
sports into public imagery for no rhyme or reason. We will have nothing to celebrate left in this
Can I reply to
country.
that?
Nothing. That is our appeal. We are not at all suggesting that we condone the genocide.
Yeah.
That was reprehensible. But the solution to one genocide is not by acting like complete
Miss-
deprecatory
Okay.
people like what we are made out to be.
One second. Well, strong language here.
I'll reply to
One
that. I'll
second,
reply to
gentlemen.
that.
Before you
I'll
come
reply to
in,
that.
I see 3 hands go up. Raja Gopal's hands goes up. Boria's hands go up. I go, however, to Bharat Kumar Raut. Bharat Kumar Raut, what is your position, please? Do you welcome what Jayalalitha is doing in Tamil Nadu as a representative of the Shiva Sena?
Listen,
you support it.
Listen, let me complete now. I've been listening to everybody here, and thanks for the compliments which came from Soeb about the political system. I'm
those are his views.
I'm a journalist, but now also in the politics.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to champion for politicians. But simple thing I must tell that Shiva Sena, I don't know what is our official stand would be, but the logic says, if Madam Jayalalitha has taken a stance in Tamil Nadu, and I know for sure, and Mr. Rajgopal will also, he will support me, is that the feelings of Tamilians are very strong about it. If Jayalalitha ji has taken this decision of stopping Sri Lankans to play in that is her right.
Do you support it?
That is her right.
Do you support it? No, do you support it?
No, see, don't ask me yes or no.
No, why not?
I'm
why
saying,
not? You either support it or you're against it.
But let me complete, Arnab.
But do you support it?
You can ask, have you stopped beating your wife? No, it is not like
I'm
that.
asking, do you support it?
No, this is not a mathematical question.
He is supporting.
It is a
Bharat
political
Kumar
question.
Let him
So
answer.
let me answer it politically. It is very much in the jurisdiction of Mrs. Jayalalitha to allow anybody to play in Sri Lanka, in Chennai or not.
Oh.
Yes. No. Listen. Let me complete.
No, but 1 second. 1 second, sir. Please. Reason I'm asking you is because you have considerable influence in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Right? So, in the past, you have used your influence to stop Pakistan from
Yes,
playing.
and we will.
No, you will also.
We will. Yeah.
So, am I to assume that you don't have strong views on what Jayalalitha on Tamil play on Lankan players playing in there? You don't have any strong views on it.
We have all sympathy for the Tamilians.
No. Do you have strong views on it?
Yeah, but because this is very much within Jayalalitha.
No. Why do you have strong views on it?
Strong views about the way Sri Lanka, these Tamilians must be feeling about the genocide of their own people in Sri Lanka. We have apathy, sympathy
So
for that.
there are people of Tamil origin in Mumbai also.
Yeah.
What about their sentiments?
Yeah, so they should express that.
Oh, so
They should
no, one
express-
second. So wherever, depending on numerical strength, you decide.
It is so. Listen.
No, 1 second. Depending on numerical strength, you decide. Right?
No, it is not so. It is not so. I am saying
If
that
you had a stronger vote bank among the Tamil, 1 second. If you had a stronger
Arnab,
vote
can I
bank
make a
among,
point, please?
It's not a question of
if you
vote
had a
bank.
stronger vote bank among
Please.
Tamil origin people in Mumbai, sir, my direct question to you is:
Yeah.
would you
No,
then have taken a
Arnab,
position
Arnab,
that
can I
the
make a
Lankan
point?
players cannot?
We have. It is not a question of Tamilians. We oppose Pakistan players coming in Mumbai or in Maharashtra. This is because we listen. We as Indians very strongly feel about what Pakistanis are doing in India.
Can you do
and
this?
They're killing our innocent
Arnab,
lives.
can I make a point,
We
please?
oppose that.
Boria is
And-
asking a counter question, sir.
No, let me
Boria,
complete, Boria. Let me complete. Let me complete,
Arnab,
Boria.
the point is simple.
Let me complete.
The point is simple.
See, it's a simple
go ahead.
decency
Finish it,
demand
then
that
I'll ask
I
you a
must
question.
complete.
let him complete, Boria.
Let me complete.
Let him complete. I
Don't
also
get
want.
excited
I
like
also
this.
want to tell you
Please.
here that Sohail has said a few. He also wants to come back on the subject.
See, I feel I'm being accused box, but it is not so.
No, you're not in the accused box.
I'm ready to answer all questions as far as my party and my conscience is concerned. I'm ready to answer. Question here is that in Mumbai, Shiva Sena had opposed Pakistanis for their atrocities on Indians.
Sir, that
Here
is the
Jayalalitha ji is opposing the Sri Lankan players for their so-called atrocities on Tamilians. There's a difference.
No, sir, there is a difference. My
There's a difference.
counter question to that
And
is, I'll let
so
Boria come in now. Now let Boria come in.
Yeah.
Boria.
Yeah.
Arnab, point is simple. Do the Tamilians only have the right to condemn this? All of us are Indians. We condemn this in the
Which is what we said.
most unequivocal terms. We think it is reprehensible, disgusting. But the fact is, you made this point and very rightly so. What about Tamil sentiment in Mumbai? And you need not be a Tamil. I condemn this in the most unequivocal terms. Why are the Sri Lankan players
Absolutely.
being allowed to play in the rest of India? Is it that hypocrisy?
No,
Every Indian condemns this. So why this selective stand in Tamil Nadu?
Don't use
Why is Mr. Bharat
Good,
Kumar
good,
saying
good.
Don't
that it's
use-
only
don't
Jayalalitha's
use
stand?
words
Let him
like
say the same thing in
hypocrisy.
Mumbai. Because
Don't use
every
words like
Indian
hypocrisy
condemns
by
this
sitting in
genocide
Mumbai
Sri
or in
Lanka.
Delhi.
So they should be
Don't
stopped
use
by
those
the
words.
same logic. They should be stopped from playing in Mumbai,
we
from
fully
playing in Bengal,
sympathize.
from playing in Delhi, from playing in every other part of India.
We fully-
Why is it that only Mrs. Jayalalitha
Exactly,
will have to
that's-
condemn
the
this?
question
Point
there is-
number one.
No, question-
Point number two.
Yeah, okay.
We have been knowing this from 2009. What was Mrs. Jayalalitha doing in 2010, 2011 and 2012?